Msamseleko is now replacing Umpumelo after he has said so many times ukuthi yena ulibhube lasemsumbe and he's in charge. They like it or not. And people are saying ukuthi yo hayi kuzoshuba emsumbe if something happened to Msamseleko. So anyway guys, so let's get to story of today. New the rest of the houses someone welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you so guys. Yesterday Msamseleko posted this picture as you can see, and people were saying, what is going on here? Slow down, Msamseleko. What you're doing, it is too much. Some were even saying, oh, Msamseleko needs to turn off the Wi-Fi, guys, and take a break from social media. So he posted a picture yaka abongwe, guys, ingani yaka macele, guys, with the caption, "We can't wait to be under your leadership." And people were surprised. What leadership? Abongwe Mtombini, you should slow down with this caption. I live for the captions like ababaki wena hauna need. People are saying yo, the only person that should be leading lana kwamseleka lengani yaka Msamseleko and Mayeni, the second born. People are saying what the only person who can replace Umpumelo, guys, ingani yaka Mayeni. I forgot his name. Amini, something like that, guys, so people are saying what he's the right person to lead the Msumbe, guys, not the Bomwe, guys. Some are saying what yo already Mpumelelo has taken that position. It will not be easy for him to accept what yena akalona libube la Msumbe. So people are saying what you better have a will Msamseleko, because your captions, they're gonna make these people fight if something happened to you. So anyway guys, do not forget to subscribe, so like, comment. Happy Saturday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.